This video is going to show you how to reset the airbag light after removing an airbag or a seat belt, or in our case we had to remove this part right here, and we had to disconnect this passenger airbag light, and that obviously tripped a fault code in the airbag system. So we're going to go ahead and reset this with no diagnostic tools. So basically what you want to do is turn off the ignition, turn it on, watch the airbag light. As soon as the airbag light goes off, shut the ignition off and on, and repeat this step 4 times. As soon as it goes off, shut it off and on. Shut it off, start it up. No more light. That basically clears out all the soft codes in the system. So this method works for most Nissans and Infinitis with regular key or with the push start key. It's a little more, it's basically the same thing. You turn on the ignition with the push start, but to turn it off you push once, to turn the ignition on you push twice, so you kind of have to get the hang of it. But it's the same concept for both regular key and smart key. So thanks for watching.